watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. Today, we're taking a walk along one of the most iconic avenues in Latin America, Paseo de la Reforma in Mexico City. Stretching for miles through the heart of the capital, this grand boulevard was originally commissioned in the 1860s by Emperor Maximilian I of Mexico, who wanted a European-style avenue connecting the city center to Chapultepec Castle. Inspired by the great boulevards of Paris, Paseo de la Reforma has since evolved into a powerful symbol of Mexico's history, pride, and progress. As we walk from Chapultepec, we're greeted by the elegant fountain known as Fuente de la Diana Cazadora, depicting Diana the Huntress drawing her bow. Unveiled in 1942, the statue represents strength and independence and has become a defining icon of the avenue. Just a little farther along stands one of the city's most beloved landmarks, El Ángel de la Independencia, or Angel of Independence. Officially inaugurated in 1910 to commemorate the centennial of Mexico's War of Independence, this golden-winged victory column has become a national symbol and a gathering place for celebrations and historic moments. Continuing down the boulevard, we encounter the impressive Monumento a Cuauhtémoc, honoring the last emperor, Cuauhtémoc. Installed in 1887, this monument pays tribute to Indigenous heritage and resilience, blending pre-Hispanic symbolism with 19th century design. Today, Paseo de la Reforma is lined with modern skyscrapers, cultural institutions, public art, and leafy medians filled with joggers, cyclists, and families. Walking here isn't just sightseeing, it's stepping through layers of Mexican history, from empire to independence to the vibrant metropolis we see today. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.